Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our channel.
So guys, today is a Tuesday, but it's a holiday because it's Eid. So Eid Mubarak
Yes
to
guys,
everyone.
happy Eid.
And secondly, so now we are out on streets. Today we are here to see my favorite street, that is the 100 Feet Road. And it has a lot of restaurants. We initially decided to go to Plan B, however, for wings, because they have 1+1 on
Like
Tuesdays.
so on Tuesdays they give like 50% off or 1+1 and that's amazing.
Yeah, on all chicken wings. But it is packed jam because, like, of course, when they are giving 1+1 and it's a public holiday, everyone is going to be there. So now we are going to Secret Story and let's see what we are going to eat there.
Like Indiranagar is the best place for, just like Kormangla is, Indiranagar is super developed. It has all the big companies' offices, best places to eat, best dessert places, all of that. Just while I was walking around, I also saw Cred's office and it looks pretty lit.
So guys, we are done with our meal and as you saw, it was amazing. It was just so nice. I love fusion Indian food and also continental food. And we were just walking, we were actually walking to go for desserts. And on the way, I don't know what came to my mind. I saw Chroma and I told my brother if he could buy me a phone because, like, my phone's condition is pretty bad, like so bad that I really need to get a new phone. And maybe he's just in a good mood, but he actually is buying me a phone now. I don't know how to react to it because I it's so bad. So now we are at Chroma and I'm waiting for my new phone. Yay! So guys, I finally bought an iPhone, yay! But also now we are going to Pizza Bakery. I'll do the unboxing really soon, so stay tuned for that. And we are going to Pizza Bakery now to have some tiramisu and nice dessert. And I really want to go to Rameshwaram, but Kavach does not have an appetite for it. Guys, I wish my brother could eat more so we could eat a lot at a lot of places, but it's just because of our appetite, it's just bleh. Finally, I am going to unbox my iPhone. I got it from Chroma today. You would have seen it in the video. However, those people were scolding us a lot for not taking those videos. But we did, just to show you. So this is a black iPhone 12. I have wanted a 12 forever because my birthday date is 12 and my birthday month is 12. I understand how most of you won't understand this, but it's just a reason I gave myself. I'm very excited for this. So this is such. Okay, so they didn't have any other color. The only color that was available was black. So I think it was just my luck and kind of. God, this is so pretty. So there's the phone. It's my phone. And there's a cable. You do have an option of taking taking an adapter. However, I didn't think that I required one because I use USB ports. So this is the wire, and this is my phone. And okay, how does this switch on? How does this switch on? It's switched on. Say congratulations, guys. So I think that is it for the unboxing part. I'm just really overwhelmed. So please, if you like this video, hit the like button. Share with your friends if you think they would like it too. Comment below if you would want to know anything about the places we went to, where I got my phone, how much I got it for, or anything at all. Just put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we upload a video. Okay, bye!